Here I am solving creating strings problem from introductory problem of CSES website. Given a string, your task is to generate all different strings that can be created using its character. The only input line has a string of length n. Each character is between A to Z. First print an integer k, the number of strings, the print k, the strings. Okay. Here what we have to do is, if we get an input aabac, we have to print the number of possible permutation of this string, which are this, and total number of permutation. So here what we will do is string string 1. What we will do is we will import built-in function for permutation, which is from the tools import permutation. A will be our string input. Now ls will be our output, which will be sorted list of dot join I for I in list of set of permutations of A. Now what it will do is, it will create all the permutation of a set into a set, and that set will be converted into a list, and for each element of that list it will be stored in ls, which is our final list. So we will print length of ls, which is total number of possible permutation, and we will print all the elements in ls which are our permutations, print I. Okay, let us check. Aabac. Okay, here we get output is 20, and here is our output. Thank you for watching the video.